guys, if you're just joining me, this live has ended. We are here at Cricut headquarters in Utah in South Jordan, right?
Yeah.
Officially South Jordan, Utah. I've told you guys Salt Lake City this whole time. I have been wrong. We're in South Jordan. So we've got about 40 people coming on in here. This is the Cricut Facebook live room, and I wish you guys could see this view. I have never seen such beautiful mountains in my life. And after lunch, we ran up a little bit to the bottom of the mountains and was able to see some snow. And I've told you guys before, I've never seen snow before and had so much fun, so I just really dug in there and we had lots of fun, lots of good lunch. So this is their Facebook live group. If you have not watched a Facebook live group or live video, you can do that at the Cricut Facebook. So let me see something. Let me see something pretty. They've got lots of pretty paper back here. They have an easy press, some of their tools that they use, lots of pretty designs, and look what I found, a Cricut cutie. And you guys, these are the cutest things in the world. If you have not gotten a mystery box, you still have a chance. They're in the pin post in the announcement section, and you get one of these Cricut cuties. They're a lot bigger than I thought they were, so these are so cute. This is the only way you can get one right now is through the mystery box bundles, and they are still available. As far as I know, they will sell out, but they are available. So I'm going to bring on Carly. She has been with me all day. She is the she works in education. She has like this big long title, and I have no idea what all she does, but she does it all, y'all. So we've got 100 people on. I'm so happy that you were able to join us. Do you guys have any questions for Cricut? We are here to answer them. Here is one of the biggest. I can go ahead and tell you, they are working on Design Space and have some of the most amazing updates coming for you guys. I know when I told you that I was coming to Salt Lake City, one of the biggest questions was, please talk about Design Space. They have some innovation that is coming for you guys that is amazing and to make your experience so much better. So if you have any questions at all.
Yeah, and you know, Holly is an official Cricut product expert. So if you missed the announcement, we have brought Holly on, and we're so excited that she accepted our offer to be a product expert.
I did. I mean, it was more than accepting. It was a beg. Please, 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 please let me. So we're so excited about that.
Yeah, and we're excited to have her. The product expert group, if you're unfamiliar, we have 9 product experts. So Holly is one of 9, and we love our experts. They know all things Cricut. So if you have Cricut questions, Holly knows the answer, and if she doesn't, she has a direct line to us, and you know, we're here to answer questions too. I pop into your group all the time, so if you see me commenting, I'm always in there looking to make sure that you know we're listening to you. Cricut's always listening, and we want to make sure that we're giving you the best product tools and experience, and you know, we know Holly is working hard to do that too.
Absolutely. And we had dinner with Ashish Arora last night. He is our Cricut CEO, and he cares so much about you guys. The only thing that he had to say about Cricut was how passionate he was, how happy he wants to make you, and how he can make his experience better for you guys. He is so in love with this company, and he's thankful that you guys love it back.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, so if you guys have questions, that's great. If not, Holly's here for the rest of the day, and then she'll be exploring Utah. So if you have Utah recommendations for her, all of the Utah locals, make sure to share them with Holly.
For sure, yeah. So did you guys get Cricut cuties? Has anybody gotten it? They have already shipped. Like, you got same day shipping if you ordered a mystery box, and I think mine's probably at home waiting on me, and so I'm so excited.
Which color did you like the most? There was lilac, flamingo, and raspberry.
I think my favorite was lilac. I say lilac because you know I'm Southern, but lilac or lilac. Yes. But the flamingo, it was like a hot pink.
Yeah, it has a really pretty pearl on it, and then the raspberry was a deep raspberry color.
Deep
so
raspberry.
I think raspberry is the most appropriate name because it looks like a cute little raspberry.
Was lilac, was that the same cutie that was in the Joann's bundle?
No, so the wisteria was in the Joann bundle, so that was like more of a little pearly color, and then the lilac is more of a matte finish.
So it is a different color. I know a lot of you had that question. Is it the same cutie that's in the same bundle from Joann's? But no, it is different. It is a different color.
Yes. Yeah, and now, Holly, you have 2 to start here in Utah, but you'll go home to some more, hopefully.
Yes, I have 2, and I am so excited. And I hope you guys have seen... Hi, Ashish. I hope you guys have seen the new launch of the brand new Cricut Maker in Mint. If you have not, you can log on to hsn.com and see. And they should be doing a live or an
airing, an HSN airing.
Yeah, they're doing an HSN airing on that, and you can see the brand new Mint Green Maker. If you have not seen it and you want a sneak peek, you can log on to my Instagram at instagram.com/hollymystilla. All of this is in they're in my stories, and you can see kind of behind the scenes here at Cricut. They are working on so much. So I've kind of had to walk through like this because I can't see everything that they're working on, because they are working on so much for you guys to constantly improve your experience and to bring you new products.
Yes.
So we're so excited about that. Thank you for joining us for this live. I see a lot of you guys do have questions, and so I will go through after this live and help answer those through text. So thank you, Carly, for joining me, and thank y'all for having me out here. I will continue to update you things with all Cricut as we go along. So thank you for joining me, and I'll talk to you soon.